Lemon is one of the most reliable nail strengtheners. The presence of vitamin C in the lemon is the secret to success here. Vitamin C promotes the growth of nails by hydrating the nail cuticles. Its antioxidant function swipes away the fungi and bacteria which contribute to the dull, yellowish look the nails often develop. There are ample methods of using lemon as a solution to nail ailments. The easiest one is to cut a slice of a fresh lemon, keep rubbing it on the nails continuously for 5-6 minutes. Wash with warm water and wipe with a towel. Immediately apply a gentle moisturizing lotion. The second process includes olive with lemon juice. You need to take 3 tablespoons of oil and 1 teaspoon of the juice in a bowl and heat it for a couple of minutes. Soak your nails for 10-15 minutes in it. You will start experiencing the improvement in your nails within a week. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel if you want more recipes and tips.